Okay, Alex, ignore the quality of this video, the audio and whatnot. I don't have my microphone with me, but I just wanted to quickly give you a tutorial on how to change the icon sizes. And here we have an icon size that's been stretched out. And when I click on it, we have the picture format that pops up. We'll click on that. And then here we'll see that we have height and width. And you'll notice that also it's not locked, so we can change it. So if I wanted to change it to by 2, that still shows it stretched. So let's do 2 by 1. Oh, there we go. It's just going slow. So 2 by 2. There we go. That's what I'm trying to get. So there, and then I would lock it so that if I'm obviously making any changes here, if I wanted it to be 5, it would change it to 5. So that's the quick way of just changing the icon sizes. Another is if you format picture, you'll get the window pane, or you could also click here. There's a format pane here. And this right here allows us to see the size, but what I use this a lot for is the position. So if I have multiple icons here and I want them to be exactly aligned, I will look here and see that the vertical is 275 and here it's 324. So I click it to 275 and they're aligned. So that's just a quick and dirty tutorial. As always, Alex, I appreciate what you're doing here. If you have other questions, let me know. I don't mind doing these quick tutorials just to help out. Obviously, it speeds up what you're doing. Okay, thanks so much.